Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you a very interesting topic. Definitely you would have once thought about these questions. So let's start. So just imagine you and your friend sit together and make a plan for the party or movie. And as soon as your father aware about your plan or party, or we can say you go with him to seek the permission of your parents. So as soon as you seek a permission of your parents straight away reject your proposal. So at the time you would have the question in your mind, why is it okay that parents decide, not us, not kids? Listen carefully. Why is it okay that parents decide, not kid or not us? So there is a logic behind of it. There is a very strong recommendation behind of it. So as per my perspective, there is three major reason. Basis on that, we have to obey, we have to respect, we have to care about the decision of our parents. So first things, which is the basis on which they decide what we have to do, what we have to not do. So the first thing, and very important, they have much better experience of life than us, and already they live that life which we are living right now. So whatever the chances of mistake is there in our current life, that our parents already lived, and they understood what is the repercussion of this activity and how this will impact slowly in our daily routine. Like if we planning something for party, for movie, for outing, and our parents always sometime not allowed to go there, because they understand if something is happens within the limit, definitely they would allow, but if something is not beyond the limit, they would not allow. So this is because of they our parents have the better experience than us about the life, and they have lived the life which we are living right now. So basis on this, they can take the better decision in that situation, whether we have to go for the outing, party, or movies or not. So once they reject our proposal, we should respectfully accept the proposal and obey the order of our parents. And the second very important things, our parents is very careful. Our parents is very careful about us. So they are always thinking about our safety whenever we are going outside from our home. So that time parents are always think about the safety. What are the safety parameters we need to check? If my child go outside of home with their friends, so friends might be does not follow the safety rules of the road, and they are not aware about the repercussion of any activity. So that this is also a part of their decisions. They are very careness about us. So keeping the careness in their mind, they are sometime decided our proposal to go outside or movie or any party. This is the second factor which they are considering while deciding anything. And the third things which is very important, because in the childhood stage we don't know what we have to do and what is right for us and what is wrong for us, because at that stage